On today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to use free traffic to make money with CPA marketing. As you can see, in the past week, I've got 2,034 views and I had 948 clicks. You can see the number of leads here, 652 leads. As you can see, this is the amount that I've made in the past week, $1,675.64. So this is the amount that I've made in the past week using free traffic. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to use free traffic to make money like this on CPA Grip. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, and if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. So as you can see, what we are going to do is that we are going to create your CPA Grip accounts, and it's free to sign up. You don't need to pay for anything, and you can sign up wherever you are in the world. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to select offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, you are going to select my offers. Once you click on my offers, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, these are products that I can promote on this platform. But what we are going to do is that we are going to search for tier 1 countries that you can get higher payout when you get a lead. So right here, we are going to search for United States. So just search for US. Once you search for US, you can get a lot of offers that are going to pay you higher amount when you get a lead. So as you can see, it is loading. Very soon you can see the offers. As you can see, these are the products that I can promote in the United States, and you can see the various payouts. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see this one right here. The payout is 86 cents. You can see this one, $1.28. This one right here, $1.37. So as I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote to earn money with CPA Grip. As you can see, a whole lot of them. So all these offers you have to promote to people in the United States. So that is one challenging aspect of CPA marketing. But I'm going to show you what you are going to do so that you can get audience from United States, so that you can make money with these offers. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to select one of these offers so that we can promote. To select an offer, you need to consider these factors. One, it must be mobile friendly and it must be acceptable on all mobile devices. The second thing is that you need to select an offer that is easy for the audience to submit their details so that you can earn money. This one right here, it requires only email and zip submit. This one requires mobile install, and you can see that it is not allowed on all mobile devices. So it is easy to promote this one than this one, because a lot of people are not going to install the app for you to earn money. So it is better to just select the ones that require email and zip submit, or you can select offers that requires only pin submit. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to find an offer that requires only email and zip submit so that we can get a lot of people to sign up for the offer for us to earn money. So what we are going to do is that we are going to find a PayPal gift card so that we can promote such an offer for us to earn money. So we are going to scroll down. Once you scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers. So we are going to find a PayPal gift card. As you can see, let me scroll upwards. So we are going to be promoting this offer right here. Grab a 750 PayPal gift card. You can see the payout is $2.05. You can see that the requirement is only email and zip submit, and it is allowed on all mobile devices. So what we are going to do is that we are going to click on the product so that we can begin to promote it. So once you click on the product, this is your affiliate link. So once you click on it, you are going to copy it so that you can begin promoting. Before we promote the offer, we need to create a landing page so that we can use the landing page to promote the offer. If you promote a direct affiliate link, the traffic source that we are going to be using in this video, they are going to ban you. So what we are going to do is that we are going to create a landing page so that we can use it to promote this product. So what we are going to do is that we are going to search for site.google.com. So once you search for that, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to click on blank so that we can create a good landing page to promote the offer. Once you click on the blank, you are going to see a page like this, and what we are going to do is that we are going to delete this so that you can create a fresh landing page. So just click here to delete it. Once you delete the theme, what you are going to do is that you are going to type the name of your landing page right here. So just type PayPal gift card. So we are going to type that, just as simple as that. So let me make the first one a capital letter. So as you can see, PayPal gift card. So that is okay. The next thing is that we are going to search for the PayPal gift card and then insert the image right here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to open a new tab, just search for PayPal gift card. Once you search for that, you can find many images that you are going to use. So let me close this one right here. So you can see $1,000 PayPal. You can see another one, $1,000 PayPal gift card. So what we are going to do is that we are going to search for $750 PayPal gift card. So let's search for that, 750 PayPal gift cards. As you can see, there's one here. You can see this one right here. There's another one right here, and then another one right here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to be using this image right here. Once you click on the image, what you are going to do is that you are going to right click on it. Once you right click, select save image as, so that you can save the image onto your PC. So this is the image. I'm going to save it. So let me just save it with any name. Just click on save, and the image is going to be saved onto your PC. Once you save the image, you are going to go back to your landing page, and what you are going to do is that you are going to come here, select images. Once you select images, click on upload, so that you can upload the image onto your landing page. So we have the image right here. Click on open, and you are going to upload the image right here. As you can see, this is the image. So what we are going to do is that we are going to drag it and open it so that it can be large. As you can see it right here, drag it downwards so that it will expand. As you can see, this is the image. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to add a call to action here, so that when people land on this page, they will know what to do. To do that, you are going to come here, select text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to type your call to action here. So let's type something like limited offers, and you are going to add something like this. Click here to claim offer now. So just simple as this. Once you type your call to action, let's just highlight this one and make it bold. So just make it bold. The next thing is that you are going to make this one red. So just come here and then change the color of the text. So just click on it, make it red, and we are going to increase the font size of it. So let's increase it. You are going to come right here and then click on the font. Once you click on the font, let's select 36. I think that is okay. The rest of the text, let's also increase the font size. So right here we are going to select, let's say 18. I think that is okay. So right now that has been done. So let's delete some of these so that it can be one line. So let's delete some of these things. Okay, I think that is done. Change the font theme for this text. So just highlight the text. Once you highlight it, just click on the font theme so that you can select the font that you want. So as you can see, I'm going to select impact. So that has been done. So once you have your call to action, the next thing is that you are going to insert your call to action right here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to go back to CPA Grip, so that you can copy your affiliate link and then highlight this text so that you can insert your affiliate link onto this particular call to action. Once you come back to CPA Grip, what you are going to do is that you are going to copy your affiliate link right here. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to go back to your landing page so that you can insert your affiliate link in the landing page. So once you come back to your landing page, what you are going to do is that you are going to highlight this particular text. Once you highlight it, just click on this particular icon, insert, and what you are going to do is that you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste your affiliate link, click on apply, and you can see that your affiliate link is now right here. So anytime the visitors click on this particular link, they are going to land on the offer, and if they like it, they are going to sign up with their email, and you are going to be earning money on CPA Grip. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to publish this particular landing page so that you can begin promoting it. So right here you are going to click on publish so that the landing page can be published. Once you click on publish, you are going to give a name right here. So I'm going to type PayPal gift card. So as you can see, this is the name that is available. The name that I type are not available, so you are going to give a name like this, PayPal gift card info. Once the name is available, it is going to be marked right here. Once your domain is available, the next thing is that you are going to click on publish so that you can publish your site, and then you can begin to promote it. So you are going to click on view so that you can view the site and see how it looks like. So this is how the landing page looks like. So once your visitors click on this particular link, they are going to be directed to the offer, and if they like it, they are going to sign up for you to earn money. But I'm not from the United States, so even if I click, it is going to be invalid. So what you are going to do is that you are now going to promote this particular landing page to people in the United States. The best way to promote this particular offer is to use Facebook. So once you come to Facebook has a lot of groups that you can join so that you can promote this particular product. So once you come to Facebook, you are going to search for groups so that you can join those groups and then promote your landing page. So what you are going to do is that you are going to search for a group that has at least 80% of the members coming from the United States. So you can search for American groups so that you can join those groups and then promote the offer to them. And if they like it, they are going to sign up and you are going to be earning money on CPA Grip. So what we are going to do right here, we are going to search for Cash Apps America. So just search for that so that you can find the groups that you want to join. Once you search for America Cash App, you can see a whole lot of different groups that you can join. So as you can see this one right here, I'm a member of this group. This one right here is a group. As I scroll down, if you click on see all, you are going to find a whole lot of different groups that you can join to promote the offers. As you can see, many groups that you can join. So you can see this one right here, Cash App USA. It has 13,000 members. As you can see, I'm a member of that group. You can see this one right here, America, they have up to 274k members. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on join so that you can join the group. So you are going to just fill the details and then join the group. So the next thing is that you are going to scroll down. As you can see, I am a member of this group. I'm also a member of this group. So I've joined a couple of them. As you can see, I'm a member of this group. I'm also a member of this group. So you are also going to join many of these groups so that you can promote the offer. As you can see this one right here, I'm a member of this group. So as you scroll, there are many groups that you can join which has a lot of United States citizens. So you are going to join those groups so that you can promote the offer. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use one of these groups to demonstrate for you. So I'm going to use this one right here, Cash App USA. Once you open the group, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see other members posting different stuff on this particular groups, and you can see that most of them are getting likes, and then you can see comments right here. So if you post your offer here, you are going to get a lot of people who will be interested in the product, and you are going to be earning money if they sign up. You can see this one who needs $800 now. You can see the reaction right here. You can see the number of comments. You can see the number of likes. So what we are going to do is that we are going to promote the offer right here so that we can get a lot of people to sign up for it. So you are going to come back. Once you are here, you are going to click on image and slash video. Once you click on image, you are going to upload the image that you downloaded. So just select the image and then click on open. Once you click on open, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, this is the image. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to write a simple post that will get the attention of the audience so that they can click through your landing page and then sign up for the offer. So what you are going to do is that you are going to type something like earn 750 PayPal gift card. So let's change it to get 750 PayPal gift card today for free. Let's type something like this. We are going to continue, so just type only 18 spots available now. So as you can see, that is it. The next thing is that you are going to leave your link here. So just type something like click here to claim offer now. Once you have your post and then your call to action right here, the next thing is that you are going to copy and paste the link to your landing page right here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to go back to your landing page. Once you are on your landing page, you are going to click on this particular icon. Just click on it. Once you click on it, this is the link to your landing page. So just click on copy link. Once you click on copy link, you are going to come back to your post, and right here you are going to paste the link here. As you can see, once you have your link here, you have to now post the offer to the group so that you can get people to sign up for you to earn money. So just click on post, and your post is going to go live onto the members. As you can see, it is posting right here. As you can see, it has been posted onto the group waiting for approvals. So as you can see, it is going to be approved, and what you need to do is that you have to do that to another group so that you can get a lot of people to sign up for the offer for you to earn money. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.